Hello YouTube, I'm making how how to get a PS3 background HD. Well, a little HD, but whatever. Just like I said in the first one, internet browser. I don't know how to do it for Xbox. I don't even think you could do it for Xbox, but whatever. PlayStation Network. You press the triangle button and file and search will show up. I hope you could see. But I'm gonna zoom it up a little bit. File and search. So then what you're gonna want to do is press search and type in Google, but I already have it saved. I already have like it. I already have like Google saved on my PlayStation. So press Google. Just go to google.com. Just wait. Enter. Wait until it loads, and then what you're gonna want to do is press this one right here, X, and then what you're gonna type in whatever you want. I'm just gonna get Bahamas or something. Let me see. Man, mistake. But almost. Instead, I'm just gonna see. I don't know. I'm just gonna do a random one. Prize Rumble. Space Rebel. For Prize Rebel, my name is Makai Star 123. This is how you spell it: Mekhi star STAR 123. No spaces, everything together. So whatever. No. So just images. Hit images. See, then there's a whole bunch. Just gonna zoom it up for you. And then what you just choose any one you want. Just click this one. If that shows up, don't worry about that, guys. Just press yes. Hit the yes button, and then it's gonna show up here. See full size image. So then what you're gonna want to do is click full size image. Wait, almost there. Full size image there. And then there's the full size image. You can see everything. So hit triangle again and press file, and then it's gonna say save image. You save it. Hard disk photo. Keep on pressing X, and then when that shows up, press X or O. Just doesn't matter. Then we're gonna want to go to photos, and then you're gonna have all of these. My The first one I got was Black Ops. I'm gonna delete this one. Maybe I can send it. I don't know. So, I don't know. Just delete. I'm gonna put delete that one up. These ones. And then what you're gonna want to do is press X, You know how to put up an image, right, guys? So yeah, hit triangle and go to set as image. Press X. If you press O, it's not gonna work. Press yes. Don't worry, that's not true that all this is gonna get lost. Whatever. See, now you have it. But I'm just gonna delete this one. I did just to show you a video. HD. I'm gonna delete Slim. And I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna just set it as my wallpaper, and then this video is done. Yes. And that's it. So I hope you liked it.